Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So I'm really excited to be showing you guys more Pepper bras. If you haven't seen my other video featuring the classic All You bra by Pepper, I will link that somewhere up here. But I am a Pepper bra ambassador. I am really passionate to promote this brand and bring awareness to embracing your small boobies. So what this brand really pioneered was bras that actually fit small-chested women. And they are committed to bringing great quality, affordable bras that actually fit small-busted women. So I am on board with that because I am a fellow small boobie lady. So I've always been this way. And you know, a little bit of backstory, my whole pubescent years, I kind of thought something was wrong with me. I was just expecting them to get bigger. I didn't understand the whole stigma behind women needing bigger boobs in order to feel like a woman. So, it was tough growing up in a society where, you were looking at Victoria's Secret models or just glorifying women with bigger breasts, and it's like, what about the rest of us who don't have that or weren't blessed with that? And why should we feel ashamed? Why can't we embrace the way we look? I think that's super important, and I've come to actually appreciate my small boobs. So I just wanted bras that actually complement them and just make me feel good about what I have. When I first partnered up with the Pepper bra brand and became an ambassador for them, I tried on their all classic U black bra. I was so impressed with it. No gapping, no tugging, no digging in. It fit perfectly, like it was like custom made for me. So it's been a while, but I finally took the splurge of ordering 2 more bras. So I'll link both of the bras down below so you can see exactly what they are and pick the size that's best for you. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like out of the packaging and also on my body. So without further ado, we're going to get right into it with care. So this is the bra with the padding. So it's just like a little bit of padding, not overdone. I know a lot of like bras you see out in the stores, they have like massive padding and it's like you're basically lying about your bra size. So I just got like this cream color. It's not like a white, it's kind of like an ivory. But I just wanted like a really classy, go-to bra that will, look good under anything. So there's some meshing here. It's really stretchy, it's really soft, breathable. The material is super soft, the cups feel good, it doesn't feel like it digs in, and the straps are adjustable. So I will try this on, and then I also got this bra, the signature All You bra, in a lace version. So it's like this blush mauvey color, really like it. So yeah, this one has no padding, it's just supposed to fit my body. So I'm going to try them on. I got 34 double A. Usually I'm like a size A, but honestly, after I gave birth to my daughter, once breastfeeding was done, my boobs went back to shrinking, and I feel like now they're even smaller than they were before, if that was even possible. Like, I have nothing to show for when it comes to boobage, so hoping these will fit me well, but I will show you guys this one first and then this one after so you can see what they look like on my body. Okay, so here I'm wearing the bra that gives you a little bit of a lift. It has some padding in it. So as you can see, it hugs my body perfectly, gives me a little bit of like oomph. I have no gapping. It fits me so seamlessly. If I lift my arms up, it's not going anywhere. As you can see, it's like not digging in. It's super, super soft. It feels so comfortable. I love this so much. I think it looks great. It's a really flattering looking bra. It fits so well. I am so impressed with this brand. I love this bra. I think it is the absolute perfect little bra to wear with a little bit of support. Not too much. The color is amazing. I'm super happy with it. So, nothing but good things. I'll show you guys again. I will just bend over all day long No gapping in sight. It is just flush against my body. This bra is incredible. So I'm really excited to try the other one on, so I'm gonna go try that on for you guys. And here is the all classic U bra, the lacy version. So as you can see, no gapping, fits me perfectly. It still gives me like a little bit of like support. It feels so nice. It's not itchy or scratchy. The material is just like butter. I swear to God, guys, like these bras are legit. Best bra I've ever owned, best bra I've ever seen, best bra I've ever tried on. Like, I immediately am happy. You know, most of the time when I go bra shopping, I'm like always disappointed with how it looks and feels. I have the complete opposite reaction with this. I love the way it feels. I love the way it looks. I couldn't be happier. I have this one on the tightest setting. I did order a 34 instead of a 32 because I kind of fall in between. I'd rather it be a little bit more loose. Not that this is loose, this actually fits me like a glove on the tightest notch back here. But I would rather it be like I can make it a little bit more loose rather than tight if I need to. That's just me personally. This fits amazing. I love the color, I love the fit. Fantastic. I recommend this brand 100%. You will not be disappointed, especially if you have small boobies like me, because we need to stick together, and I want to spread awareness to this brand. It is changing women's lives who, you know, get overlooked because we have smaller chests, and we shouldn't feel bad about that. We should embrace it. So I will leave everything about Pepper Bra down below. I actually have a coupon code. If you use my code, I'll link it in the comment section. I have a link and a coupon code, so use that and you will get a discount on your order. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and fun, and if you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and until I see you guys in my next video, bye.